Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add color to text box in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. We need to open first Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Then here, let me just quickly insert a text box. So click on the Insert tab at the ribbon. And here you can find text box. Click on that. Click on the simple text box. And then we're just going to insert a text from here. Okay. So let me just quickly type a text. Okay, let me just quickly insert the font size of this one. Okay. Now, on how we can add a color to the text box, it's just very easy. You just have to select the text box by clicking on it. And now you will find this option, Shape Format. Okay. Now, under the Shape Format tab, you can find the shape styles. Click on this drop down. And here you can simply choose your color for the theme styles. So if you want to have any of these colors, you just have to simply click on that. And you have just added a color on your uh, text box. And you can also have here other theme files. So it's up to you. Then you can also have the shape fill to click on this drop down and then simply choose your color from here. You also have here more fill colors and then choose your color and click on OK, and that's it. That's how you can easily add the color to the text box in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.